Hi, everyone. I just wanted to do a quick welcome myself without any technology interruptions. Thanks for your patience with that. I'd like to say that things are always going to go perfectly smoothly in the class, but that wouldn't be entirely realistic. So hopefully it will go more smoothly than today did. So you'll probably seeing me in a small video in the corner of the screen. I'm just going to talk you through some of the things that are really important to know about this class because it operates a little differently than your traditional expository writing course might. So I'm here, you should be able to see on your screen the Moodle course for our expository writing class. Some things that are important to note. Here's the help forum. If you have a general question, unless it's a personal private question, please post to the help forum because then I can answer the question once and everyone can see the answer. And it's likely that someone else who's in the class might know the answer, so you can get your response more quickly than if you wait for me. This is a really important link, the online textbook for English Composition 1. We're going to be picking and choosing from there, and you'll see, let me just roll down for a second. For example, your For Wednesday reading assignment for this week, there's a link here, Introduction to the Writing Process. Okay, so I've done hyperlinks for the parts of that online textbook you'll need to read, but I do want you to check it out because there are lots of other resources within that textbook that may not be directly assigned. Please note here's a projected unit plan. Things could change. I'm all about emergent curriculum, and if the needs of our group of learners and writers need something different, then I'll change that up. The syllabus is a web page here. You'll get a hard copy of that on Friday, but please check it out because you need to know how the course is going to go. I'm just going to scroll down here to sort of show you what a typical week looks like in Moodle. There's a description of what's mostly going to happen, what the plan is at least for the week. Your reading assignments with hyperlinks, or occasionally it will say, see hard copy. Sometimes I'll give you hard copies of handouts to annotate, which is really critical. You'll also be keeping a response journal. I'm doing a remote introduction, which didn't work out so well. Your homework for this week, a receipt of syllabus. You can complete that after I give you the hard copy on Friday. Please be sure before class Friday that you have done the What's Funny forum. As we talked about, post a description of what you think is funny, the kinds of humor that tend to make you laugh, that you tend to enjoy. Include a link with a brief description. If there's some swear words, let people know. If there maybe is violence, something that you think could be a trigger, make sure you let us know about that. We're going to do a team essay together in class on Friday, so you won't need to do anything with that link until then. Last thing I'd like to talk with you about, I know that we're getting up there, trying to keep this under 6 minutes. Hello to everyone. Check, I did that. Thanks to Al for trying to make the tech work. Thanks to my amazing student panel. Welcome to you all. The major course content runs in layers, right? So we're going to cover academic writing, which is things like rhetorical mode, essay structure, incorporating outside research, and grammar, but not nearly as much as you think. We're going to talk about argument and persuasion, audience technique, some of that. We're going to do critical reading and rhetorical analysis because really this is one secret to becoming a better writer, is becoming a more reading like a writer, which is really important. And we're going to talk some about humor. Really, this is just a fun way to explore argument. We could have done it with lots of other types of writing. The major course components are going to be critical readings of essays that are written by humorists and some theoretical articles. You are going to be doing lots of informal and semi-formal writing for the majority of the class. And all of that activity, your work as a peer reviewer, your informal and semi-formal writing will count for 50% of your final grade. You're going to learn a lot about writing process and you're going to practice it over and over again. You're going to participate in writing workshop, which is how the whole course will run. And then 50% of your grade comes from the best works portfolio. That's your 2 best essays, the research essay and your best short essay. And I will score those against a rubric on quality. And that will be half of your grade. But you have 16 weeks to get it there. So don't worry. Your homework for this time is to explore that Moodle site, to do any assigned reading, and make sure that you do the What's Funny forum. If you have a request for something you'd like to see in New Orleans, put that in the help forum, and I'll try to take a look and send you a video. All right. Thanks very much for being in class. I really look forward to seeing you all on Friday. Bye-bye.